the curiosity in them for you. Brightness, you are the happiness, they are feeding on you. Motherly, caring, a fight, a conflict, you pushing this person away. They always keep their words. They found religion, culture, more than friends, but it's a burden on your shoulder. You, when this person is really romantic and flirtatious towards you. Hi Scorpio, welcome back to my channel Love Stories. Today I'm going to do your online psychical love reading for the month of June, Saturday special. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may be resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, take guidance, and if it not resonate with you, you can simply ignore it. Okay, Scorpio, let's get started. What are the Scorpio person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Scorpio? What are the Scorpio person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Scorpio? What are the Scorpio person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Scorpio? And we are having here Page of Swords, the Hermit, the Sun, the Empress. What are the Scorpions feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? What are the Scorpions feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? Five of Swords, Seven of Wands, the Hierophant, Two of Pentacles. What are the mutual energies? What are the mutual energies? Chariot, Ten of Pentacles. These are your cards and sign that could relate it to your person. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Page of Swords, Five of Swords, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Seven of Wands, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Ten of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles, Aquarius with this Empress, Leo with this Sun, Cancer with this Chariot, Virgo with this Hermit, Taurus with this Hierophant. Keeping an eye on you. They are totally keeping an eye on you. They are curious, the curiosity in them for you. They are collecting information about you, checking your last seen, Instagram, FB, new post, where are you going, what are you doing, what's your routine, all that. They are talking to random friend just to ask about you, that they can get a hint what is your what are you up to. And you are their happiness, you are brightness, you are beneficial for them. They always find you, like whenever you are with them, everything is easy and go really fine when you are with them. You are their brightness, you are their happiness. They are feeding on you, feeding on your energies. They become happy and bright when they are with you. And this is the purpose. That's why they are curious towards you. They want to keep you and they want to know what's the reason you distance yourself from them. You isolate them yourself from them. Why? Why you are doing this to them? For answers, they're keeping an eye on you. You are their happiness and you distance yourself. You are not giving yourself to this person. You're taking yourself away from them. That's not acceptable for them. The feel towards you, you are kind, motherly, caring, nurturing. You are really, the love, the image of love, they see you like that. Caring, nurturing, kind, making your environment beautiful. The empress feelings towards you, the motherly, the loving, kind feeling they feel towards you, and you are the beneficial for them, happiness for them, and they want to know why you are taking yourself away from them, why you put this distance between us. They want to know that. And there is some kind of conflicts, maybe with this person, maybe with someone else, some kind of disagreement there, maybe with someone else, or not agree with this person, a fight, a conflict, anxiety there. And marriage, paper, legal, commitment, contribute in their life, guidance. They want your guidance, they want you, and getting you commitment is the best way. Marrying you, they want to marry you, they want to keep you. Commitment, they want commitment. You can feel that, but somehow you pushing this person away. I think maybe you are dealing with two people, and maybe more than two people, Scorpio. About this person, you are pushing them away and arguing with someone else about something. disagree with someone else about something and pushing this person away. Commitment, definitely marriage. How can you commit with three or two people at the same time? You need guidance, and yes, you are. There is sometimes, it's not our habit, it's not our nature, keeping two or three people in your pocket. Nah, it happens when things happens out of your control, when people step into your life. Scorpios are like that. They always keep their words. They're trying to, but sometimes, things come complicated. It complicates when you have to deal with multiple people, when you have to, the you find yourself imbalanced situation. You're totally imbalanced here. You have to deal with multiple people, dealing with this person, dealing with that person, disagree, pushing this person away, and there is some kind of, busy you are dealing with, and all that. Shall yet this person want to chase you. They know that a lot of people in your plate, a lot more than two, maybe three possibilities, and this person want to chase you. Feelings, they are totally sure about that. They are so gonna happy, peaceful when they are with you. If they get your attention, they will get everything. They are chasing you, they are running after you, Scorpio. Something about marriage. It's marriage, traditions, the legacy, bound, religion, culture, similarity, something about that. Maybe marriage. You are just like in the about that, something about that. That's what else we have for you, Scorpio. Let's find. Okay. Eight of Pentacles. What else we have for you, Scorpio, and what's the outcome? Three of Cups and Ten of Wands. With this Eight of Pentacles, definitely this person is working on themselves, self grooming, personality grooming. They need that in order to get you. They're chasing you, they're running after you, they're working on themselves, they are making themselves capable of you. As I told you, more than two people. Third party there, definitely. Third, fourth, yeah. And you are just being friend, but it's not just a friendship. More than that, more than friends. You are being with them, dealing with them. This is about when you have to deal with multiple people and all of them got one intention towards you. And that's how sometimes you feel like that it's really hard to keep everything. It's really hard to, make them to, keep everyone. It's hard that. It's burden now on your shoulder. It's hard to keep everyone happy. It's not easy for you. You are just like under burden, under pressure. It's now burden on your shoulder. And this person feel like that you are resisting them. You are just not letting them to get through, not letting them to step into you. They get a feel from you. You are resisting them, but it's a burden on your shoulder now. It's hard to keep everyone happy. Let's see what else we have for you, Scorpio. What else we have for you, and we are having here Knight of Sword, Four of Cups, and Knight of Cups. With this Knight of Sword, someone is jealous. They are just aggressive towards you, chasing you, running after you. I think more than two people. Someone is jealous, someone is chasing you, running after you, keeping an eye on you. You are not taking anything from anyone. You deserve yourself. You are not dealing with this person. You are stubborn here on a no mood. Knight of Cups, romantic feelings, emotions, romance, pickup lines, loving lines, sweet words in your mind and upcoming days. It's a romantic week for you, Scorpio. Some kind of politeness, some kind of date, maybe some kind of party date there for you when this person is really romantic and flirtatious towards you, and they are just like extra polite and extra romantic towards you because they are chasing you. They want to get you. Okay, let's see. What do angel want to add in this reading? To help heal this situation, see other person's point of view with compassion. What advice messages I should have for you, Scorpio? Listen music, stop making bad choices, forgive yourself first, pray to the God for peace in your life. These are few advice messages in the end, and the summary of your reading is this person is keeping an eye on you. Why you? This person is keeping an eye on you. Why you are taking yourself away from them? You are their happiness. You are their peace. You are like motherly, caring, nice, loving. They feel loved when they are with you. Why you are taking yourself away from them and they are keeping eye on you? They want answers. Disagree with someone and pushing someone away. Dealing with more than two people. Marriage, commitment, something about that. You are a little bit stubborn here. This person is chasing you and running after you. Flirtatious. Upcoming days are totally flirtatious. Romantic. These are some summaries of your reading, Scorpio. Hope this helpful for you. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.